Hey everyone, today I want to walk you through how you can use Ada to automate your support, sales, and marketing use cases in the fintech industry. We look at how Ada can help increase leads, drive revenue generation from within the bot, and also allow customers to self-serve. The way we achieve this using Ada is by using a threefold strategy. First, we use APIs to integrate with all of your systems, so Ada is able to push and pull customer and business information and provide personalized conversations. Second, we have a strong NLP and machine learning model, so we understand questions that customers ask and we can answer them appropriately. And third, we integrate with various live chat vendors, so in case someone needs to be escalated to a live agent for support, you can do that from within the bot as well. Now, as you can see here, I'm on the AdaPay FinTech website. For this demo, let's assume I'm an existing customer of AdaPay and my name is Sarah Mitchell, and I've come back to the website to explore some new products. As I'm browsing around, you'll notice that the bot fires up a proactive message saying, "Hi Sarah, welcome back. How can I help you today?" So this is an example of Ada's proactive campaigns. Proactive campaigns allow you to show customized messages to visitors on your website based on who they are and what their activity on the website has been. So if this was a completely new customer, you could show them a different message. In this case, because the bot already knows who I am, it shows me this personalized message. To show you another example, if I click on Find My Offers and navigate to this page and hover my mouse over the Apply Now button, the bot will show me a different proactive message here, letting me know that if I add another card, I'll receive 50,000 Ada points. So proactive campaigns are a great way to increase engagement and drive specific actions on your website. If I go ahead and click Learn More, what the bot's going to do is show me information about this new AdaPay card and also provide me with the option to connect to a sales agent right away. Let's say I'm interested in this offer and I go ahead and click Yes, connect me to sales. What the bot's going to do now is provide me with the option of booking a meeting with a sales rep. So this is our integration with Calendly, and this is an example of an Ada app. Ada apps are interactive elements that you can embed within chat to provide a unique and rich experience to your chatters. In this example, the Calendly app allows me to book a meeting, select my date, select my preferred time, hit confirm, and once I hit schedule event, Ada is going to automatically send Sarah an invitation, and it's also going to put this in your scheduling system. There are new apps that are added to Ada's marketplace on a regular basis, so you can continue to provide richer experiences to chatters. Another thing that's happening in the backend is that Ada is able to take the information we've collected about Sarah and push that as a lead to Salesforce. So if I switch over to my tab here and I hit refresh, you'll notice that a new lead has been created with Sarah Mitchell. We already had Sarah's email ID, so we didn't have to ask her for that information. And we can specify that she's got in touch with us because she's interested in Ada's automated savings card. So using a combination of proactive campaigns and our ability to create leads and book meetings with sales teams, we equip your sales and marketing teams with the right tools to take action quickly and drive these leads to conversion. Now let's assume that Sarah got her second credit card and she's come back to the website to speak to the bot about a support question that she has. We're going to see how Ada is able to help Sarah self-serve and get the resolution that she needs. So I'm going to go ahead and say, "Hey, I lost my card. Can I get a replacement?" Now you'll notice as I was typing, a new suggestion popped up saying replace the lost card. So this is Ada's NLP in action. The idea here is to understand the customer's intent, match it to an answer flow that exists in the backend, and surface the correct information to the chatter. We don't rely on keyword matching, and in fact, Ada's NLU is able to understand intents irrespective of typos, synonyms, slang, or languages. So I can click on the suggestion or I can go ahead and hit enter. What Ada is going to do now is, because I'm authenticated, it knows who I am and it has access to my information. So before it goes ahead and helps me replace this card, it's going to first notify me of my latest transactions and give me the option to specify whether any of them look fraudulent or not. So I can go ahead and select See Options and select this transaction as fraudulent. If I hit confirm, the bot's also going to ask me why I think this is fraudulent. I can specify I wasn't in San Francisco. And once I've provided this information, Ada is going to log this as a fraudulent charge and let me know that I can track progress from my dashboard. So by leveraging Ada's ability to integrate into your data systems via APIs, we were able to provide Sarah with all of this information about her recent transactions and allow her to take action from within the bot. Now let's go ahead and assume that I want to apply for a new card. I can initiate that process by hitting yes. Let's get started. And now what the bot's going to do is, again, using information that exists about Sarah in the system, confirm that this is still my address. I'm going to go ahead and select yes. The bot's going to ask me a verification question to specify my date of birth. And once I've done that, it can go ahead and trigger the action to replace my lost card within your backend. A great feature here is that using conditional logic in Ada's backend, you can provide a different experience based on who the customer is. In this case, because Sarah has two products with us and she's important, we can also give her the option to speak to a live agent right away and accelerate the process of replacing her lost card. Since this is a support request, I'm going to be routed to a support agent. But if this was a sales request, we can also use intelligent routing in the backend to make sure that the right live agent is being connected. Now, as you can see, I've been added to a queue for a live agent. If I jump on over to Zendesk, you can see a new chat has appeared from Sarah Mitchell. If I accept this from an agent's perspective, I have access to the entire transcript of the conversation that's happened between Sarah and the bot so far. There's a summary at the bottom as well, which is generated using machine learning, letting the agent know in a one-line summary that Sarah's lost her card and she's looking for a replacement. We can also pass a lot of tags to provide more context to agents. So we know we need to process a new card. The information has already been validated. This is high urgency because there were fraudulent transactions and that this is a high value customer. So for an agent, now that I'm equipped with all this information, I don't have to ask Sarah any questions. I can go ahead and say, hey, Sarah, I can initiate the process for you now. Now, once I've typed this message and sent it across, let's go ahead and see what it looks like from Sarah's perspective. So it's pretty seamless. Up here, Sarah was talking to the bot. All she sees is a message saying now she's chatting with an agent named Jamie, and the message that Jamie sent is available here. So Sarah can respond saying, thanks, Jamie. And if I go back to Zendesk, you can see these messages flowing back and forth very seamlessly. So we're providing a lot of context to agents to resolve these inquiries quickly. We're providing a seamless experience to Sarah, and overall, this leads to faster resolution times and increased customer satisfaction. Let's assume that Jamie was able to assist Sarah here, and I'm going to go ahead and end this chat. And just like how Sarah was escalated to a live agent, she's now transitioned back to speaking to the bot. Now, because Sarah's just had a positive experience, we can also use this opportunity to upsell, a credit card upgrade to her at this point. Again, this can be completely customized based on who the customer is and what their history is with your business. Now, in the last example, I want to show you what happens when the bot has not been trained on a specific answer. Ada can also integrate seamlessly with your knowledge base as a fallback in case it doesn't know the answer to the question. This ensures that you can take advantage of all the content that your team has already built out and ensure that the chatter always has an answer to their question. So I'm going to go ahead and ask the bot a question. There is a pending $1 charge. If I go ahead and hit enter, the bot's going to tell me, hey, I don't have an answer, but let me search our knowledge base. And at this point, if there's a match, it's going to show me that knowledge base article right within the chatbot window. So what we're doing here is we're removing a lot of the friction that traditionally exists of navigating to the help section, searching for my article, and then reading long form content. In this case, all I do is type in 5 words and that FAQ article is presented to me right from within the same window. So this demo was an example of how Ada can automate support, marketing, and sales use cases across the entire customer journey and provide a unique, personalized, and unified customer experience in the fintech industry. Thank you.